One of the prosecutors working for the Commonwealth's attorney in Portsmouth last year has been reprimanded by the Virginia State Bar. Thanks for joining us. I'm Regina Mobley.
And I'm Stephanie Hudson. Matthew Taylor Morris prosecuted cases while his law license was suspended. Investigative reporter Chris Horn has more on this story you'll see only on 10. Chris?
Yeah, Stephan, what set off a chain of events that ended up with Taylor getting his license suspended was a failure to pay his annual dues, according to the findings of the bar. But while that law license was suspended, Taylor kept prosecuting cases in Portsmouth, more than 80 of them. Documents show that the state bar sent Matthew Taylor Morris a statement for annual dues last June. They typically run about $300. The bar then sent him a past due notice in August, still no response. Morris's license was then suspended in October. We reached out to Morris to see what happened, but he has not responded. According to the bar's findings, Morris told them his house is a mess and there is mail everywhere, and that a family member might have received the mail. Morris said he didn't know the money was due, even though he had been a member of the bar for 10 years at that point. But at the center of the controversy is the fact that Morris kept prosecuting cases as an assistant Commonwealth's attorney for Portsmouth. The bar says he appeared in 82 cases in a 4-week period with a suspended law license. That's a violation of the bar's rules of professional conduct. The reprimand document says Morris did not believe that the judges on those cases were aware of what was going on. Portsmouth's Commonwealth's attorney, Stephanie Morales, would not comment on a personnel matter, but her spokesperson said in a statement, "In the matter of any potential irregularities, this office remains committed to participating with any corrective process should it become necessary or desired by impacted parties." And as a result of all of this, the Virginia State Bar has once again suspended Morris's license to practice law, this time for 6 months, effective April 24th. Chris Horn, 10 on your side.